data all over the sheet. And there are some calculations that we don't want people to look at. We just want, when we share this worksheet with them, they will be able to put up values only in these cells, not anywhere else. So that is why if we go with the previous option that we have seen, that is review, and if I click on this protect sheet, and if I put a password, let's say ABC, and I'll press OK. Again, I'm reconfirming the password. Okay. Now, if I try to do anything over here, it don't let me do anything. That is perfectly fine. But what if I want to put a value over here? The same problem, which I don't want. I want that people will able to put the values here and they will not be able to go anywhere else because there may be some formulas at different places and the content. So they should not tamper with that. So that is why first I'll unprotect it. Now, as I shared the thought with you earlier that by default, every cell is logged in the worksheet and protection will be applicable to all the locked cells. So that is why we are not able to do anything on any cell. But what if I change the status of these cells, have a look, of these cells from lock to unlock. And then if I go to review and protect sheet, so the password will be applicable to only on these white cells, not on this grid. Let me change the color and highlight it to yellow so that we can easily differentiate it. Now we need to change the status of these cells from lock to unlock. The way is, first we need to select all these cells. Then we have to right click and we need to go to format cells. There is a direct shortcut to go to format cells, which is by pressing Ctrl+1 and it will open the dialog box for us. In this, on the right hand corner, we have protection tab. Under the protection, you can see, as we have discussed, every cell is locked. That is why it is checked for these cells also. So I will uncheck this and I will press OK. Now, just to cross check, I'll go to any white cell and I'll press Ctrl+1. That is locked. So that is OK because we need these cells to be protected and these to be unprotected. Now, I'll go to review and I'll click on protect sheet. But before giving the password, it is very important to understand that it says that allow all users of this worksheet to select lock cells, select unlock cells, both are checked. Think about it. These are the permissions that you want to give to the user who will get this protected worksheet. So the first, whatever is checked, it means that is permitted. So do you really want that when you send this worksheet so that people will be able to select the lock cells, it means all the white cells? No, we don't want them to select it because in any case, if the cell is locked and the protection is there, people will not able to edit it. But the point is, if any cell that is logged and contains a formula and people can select that cell, they can actually see the formula in formula bar, which I don't want. That is why I need to uncheck it. Second thing, select unlock cells. Do you want them to select unlock cells? It means the yellow cells. Yes, I want them to select it. So I'll keep it checked. And here I'm putting a password 123. I'll press OK. I'm reconfirming the password 123. I'll press again OK. Now you can see that my cursor was shifted over here because I cannot select these cells. I'll show you. I'm moving my right arrow like this and you can see it will keep moving only in these cells. And if I try to edit anything over here, I'm trying to write it over there, but it's writing there because I'm not able to select it. See this. I hope this sounds very useful to you also in many of the cases.